Hey guys, welcome back to my studio. So today we have a couple of new sea animals added to our collection and of course some wild animals. So they are all right here. So I'm gonna show you guys the latest addition to mine collection, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's begin. So a couple of days back, I actually purchased some Kinder Joy eggs because it actually comes with some really cool wild animal figures and sea animals, okay? So I got a couple of new figures like the sea turtle. This is a giant tortoise. I also have a hedgehog, a blue whale, two parrots, I think. Okay, and I think there's one more, armadillo. Okay, so we have two more to open up today. So hopefully we can get some nice sea animals. Yeah, hopefully we can get different figures. This is actually the chocolate. Not going to eat it at the moment. I'm just gonna open this. Hopefully we can get like a nice oh, it's actually the same bird, so we shall not resemble this. It is basically the same parrot. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's open this up. Hopefully you can get a new figure. I'm hoping to get like a great white shark. I think that will be nice, but I have no idea what animals are actually in the set. Oh my goodness, guys, we are getting the same one again. It is the blue parrot. I think that's fine. Let me open up another one. Okay, I actually have two more left. Maybe we have already collected like the entire set. I'm not exactly sure. So, let's have a look at this. Wow, this one is hard to open. So I maybe need like a box cutter. Just give me a second. I'll take my box cutter. I'll cut like a small little hole right here. Okay, got it. And we can just rip this open. Seems like we have got the same parrot. I think that is fine. I have one more. Just give me 1 second. Let's open this up. Our last figure. And let's have a look at what's inside, okay? Let's try to open this up. Hopefully we can get a different one. Oh, it's the same one again. I think that is fine. That is totally fine. I mean, let's just take a look at our collection of sea animals. I actually went to the river safari. I mean, it's right now known as River Wonders in Singapore. And I've seen many sea animals, including some rays. This is actually a blue spotted ray. Okay. Let me put this right here. The next one is actually a manta ray. It's a nice figure, and this is actually added to our collection a couple of days back. From the Kinder Joy. This is a very adorable Orca. Okay, this one is an African penguin, South African penguin to be exact. And right here we have a koi fish. Koi fish, do you guys know that they can actually live up to like 100 to even 200 years old? And here we have another ray, which is like a blue spotted green ray. This is a crab, very beautiful crab. Okay, it's actually known as a Sally Lightfoot crab. And this figure has been with me for a long time. Okay, next up we have a manatee, beautiful manatee. I've actually seen plenty of manatees yesterday. Some of them were actually swimming upside down, which is kind of cute and adorable. This is a Moray Eel. I've actually seen some electric eel yesterday, which is very, very scary looking to me. This it's an anglerfish. Okay, and this one right here is actually a leopard seal. One of the they're very strong seals, and they can be quite aggressive. This one is actually a hub seal. Horseshoe crab. Okay, they are basically like living fossils. They existed like millions of years ago, and right now you are still able to find them. This it's a leatherback sea turtle. It is very unique. You can see the shells. It has like ridges along it. A lobster right over here, beautiful lobster. We got this figure like a couple of months back. It's a very realistic looking lobster. This one, it should be a green sea turtle. Yeah, it's a sea turtle, adult sea turtle. Blue tank, I've actually seen them in when I actually went to this sea aquarium in Singapore. So I saw plenty of blue tanks in a fish tank. Yeah, they look really beautiful. Walrus. Alright, we have a couple of walrus figures. So do you guys know that the function of the tusk are actually used to anchor themselves down into the ocean seafloor while they use their flippers to dig for scallops? Very interesting use of the tusk. Yeah, we have another one. So basically, imagine this is the seafloor, the sand. They will just dig their tusk into the seafloor. That will prevent them from moving about because the ocean current is actually quite strong. And then they will just use their flippers to, dig for scallops. Yeah, basically for food. A seahorse right here, a beautiful one. You can see the tail is actually being wrapped around one of the sea corals. This is a sailfish. Another living fossil. Okay, not exactly living. This is actually an extinct prehistoric fish by the name of coelacanth. Alright. We have a polar bear. Okay. Another polar bear right here. This is actually a polar bear cub. This one is also a polar bear cub. Okay. Hermit crab. Do you guys know that hermit crabs, the shells are actually not their own shells. They basically find shells and they hide inside the shells because their body, the back portion of his body is actually very soft, so it's very prone to attacks by other predators. So they need to find shells to hide. Moray eel right here. This is a salmon fish. Okay. Largemouth bass. You can see the mouth is like really big. Okay. See what else we got. A sea lion. I think we need to remove this little sticker. It has been on it for like a long time. This is a dugong. It looks very much like the manatee that you have seen just now, but they are actually quite different. Here is another manatee. So yeah, I mean, if you take a look at them, they do look kind of similar. This is a dugong, okay, and this is the manatee. This is our one and only stingray figure. It's a very nice one. You can see it's quite realistic. And at the back, you can see like a sharp sting. Okay. Octopus. They are very good at camouflaging themselves. They're able to change the colors. They're able to change the texture. Lobster. We have two lobster right here. Okay. This is basically a common lobster. Have you guys seen like a spiny lobster? I actually have a figure. Let me see whether I'm able to get it. It's quite deep inside my shelf, so I'll show you guys on another day. Okay, so this is a weedy sea dragon, a blue crab, cow-nosed ray. Okay, a boxfish. I think this has got to be one of the very interesting fish in our collection. The body shape looks like the shape of a box. Leopard seal. I almost said leopard shark. And this is actually a prehistoric sea creature by the name of Pravitosaurus. Okay, very interesting prehistoric sea animal. And here we have a clownfish. Another one, also known as Nemo. I think this is actually from Disney. Yeah, I think so. Marble ray, a beautiful one. It's a huge ray. This. A starfish. Okay. This is actually a turtle baby. A Camp's Ridley sea turtle baby to be exact. This is another sea turtle baby. I think they are both like quite similar. In terms of the sculpt, they do look quite similar, but this one has the mouth like opened slightly. Another prehistoric sea animal. This is an ammonite, if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Yep, an ammonite. You can see it looks like an octopus in a shell. And speaking of octopus, we have one huge one right here. Okay, and this is a king crab. It's not a spider crab. It looks like a spider crab, but this is actually a king crab. Oops, the turtle is on the floor. What is this? I think this is actually a loggerhead sea turtle. That is right. Another prehistoric sea creature, and this is actually known as a belemnite. Okay, it looks like a prehistoric squid. Okay, like a prehistoric giant squid. Catfish. Some of the catfish can grow up to really big sizes. Okay. Yeah, this one is really beautiful. Yep, the whiskers actually help it to find its way in the murky water. Another giant squid right over here. We have a couple of penguins. So this is an African penguin. If I'm not wrong, this is actually a Humboldt penguin. This is basically a penguin chick. It could be the chick of an emperor penguin. A brown crab. We have a reef squid. Okay. This it's a sea lion. Yep, that's right. Californian sea lion to be exact. Let's see what else we've got. Another clownfish. This figure is pretty new. We got this like earlier this year, but it is actually released like in 2011. Quite an old figure. African penguin. You can see above the eyes. You can see like splashes of pink fur. This is a chin strap penguin, very easily recognizable because there's actually like a stripe across the chin area. A mini dugong. So previously I've shown you guys the bigger one, right? Okay, let's move on. Another squid right here. We have plenty of squids. A small little octopus. This is actually a rock hopper penguin. Very easily recognizable as well. You can see it has like amazing hairstyle. Another king crab. We have two similar figures. Yeah, we got the wrong one. Another sea turtle. Very weird looking sea turtle. A penguin. No idea what this is. Just probably an emperor penguin. Not exactly very sure. This is a rock hopper penguin. Yeah, it's very similar to the previous one. Rock hopper. We have a spotted seal right here. A frogfish. This fish is actually quite interesting. It basically used these two fins to walk on the floor. Yeah, sort of like walk using the fins to like move. Very interesting. This is a flying fish. I mean, they don't really fly, but they can swim and they can spring out of the ocean surface water, and they appear to be like flying. Yeah, very beautiful. Another ray. A lobster, a small little lobster. Emperor penguin. This one is definitely an emperor penguin, but I'm not too sure about this. This could be a king penguin. So emperor penguins are basically the largest species of penguins around. You can see the baby chick is actually right here. Very adorable. Jellyfish. Jellyfish, they can be quite deadly, so do not touch them. Nudibranch. Nudibranch, they are actually very colorful nudibranch out there. This one is just one of the less vibrant in terms of the colors. I've actually seen like a rainbow nudibranch before in a documentary. Yeah, they look very beautiful for sure. Another jellyfish. A polar bear cub. Another one. We have a sea lion right here. This is known as the Goliath grouper. You can see the thick lips. Okay, looks very adorable. And we have a manta ray right here, and two small little sea animals. Need the help of you guys to name this too. Alright, so this is it. Yep, this is it. So yeah, I've basically shown you guys my collection of sea animals. They are close to my entire collection. I mean, I didn't show you guys my sharks, whales, and dolphins in this video because I think many of you guys have seen them many times before. So this is basically a video of me showing you guys my sea animals collection apart from the sharks, whales, and dolphins and stuff like that. Okay, all right. Thanks for watching this video. Okay, and yeah, I'll hope to see you guys in the next one. And yes, stay tuned for more videos. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.